Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a blank page in a PDF file using Nitro Pro. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro, select file option and select your open your PDF file. I have already opened my PDF file and click on this page thumbnail icon and select any page and click right button for your mouse cursor, and here you will find this insert blank page option. Click here and see this blank page now inserted, and go in here and again click here and select right button for mouse cursor and select insert blank page. Also here you will find this add insert blank page option. Select and see this. In this way you can add as many as blank page you want to add. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.